children, it's Miss Rosen here and Fred, and we're here to learn a new sound today. The sound that we're learning today is quite special because it's our first set 2 sound. You know all your set 1 sounds now, which is great. So you're ready to do some set 2 sounds. But before we begin, we need to make sure that our brain is warmed up. So we're going to do our speedy sounds first of all. Now these are sounds that you should already know, so we're going to go through them nice and quickly. Okay, magnet eyes. Are you ready? Let's go. E, y, x, p, r, sh, qu, g, b, a, p, n, t, I, d, k, s, o, w, z, j, l, o, j, v, h. Excellent. Give yourself a thumbs up. Well done. Okay, right. I think you're ready for your new sound today. Okay, so we have our picture. And on our picture we have 3 children. And the 2 boys are playing really nicely with the toys. And the girl comes along and she sees that they're having so much fun. And she says to the boys, "May I play? May I play?" Can you hear the sounds in may and play? That's right. It's the A sound and it looks like this. A, A, A. Brilliant. Okay, let's play our game then. So when I show you this side, I'd like you to say, "May I play?" And when I show you this side, you can say A. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to try and trick you by putting it behind my back. Are you ready? Need to do good looking. Let's go. Oh, I'm going really fast. Can I trick you? Did I manage to trick you or was you too quick? I think you're getting very good at this game. Okay, so now you're going to need to grab a whiteboard and pen or a pencil or a pen and a piece of paper. If you haven't got one already, then pause me and quickly go and grab one. Okay, we're going to practice writing our A sound. Okay, so I've got my whiteboard here. So we must remember that we start on the line. Okay, so we go up, around the apple, up, down and flick. And then our yeah. Up, down and A. Okay? Now, if you're feeling really confident, you can try and join your A and your Y up. But if you're not quite ready yet, then don't worry. Okay? So I'll show you it joined up. So when I'm joining up, I'm not taking my pen or my pencil off the paper. Round, down, up, and down. Okay. So what I'd like you to do now is to pause the video and practice writing A 3 times. Off you go. Okay, fabulous children. Right, I bet you did that really neatly. Okay, what we're going to do now is to practice reading some of our A words in our green our A sound in our green words, okay? So, we're going to look for special friends, we're going to Fred talk, and then we're going to say the word, just like we do in school, okay? So, special friends, A, Fred talk, T, A, tray. Special friends. A, Fred talk. A, say. Special friends. A, Fred talk. A, lay. Special friends. A, Fred talk. A, way. Special friends. A, Fred talk. A, may. Special friends. A, Fred talk. A, play. Last one. Special friends. A, Fred talk. A, day. Excellent reading, children. Well done. We're going to make it a little bit trickier now. This time we're going to Fred in our head. So you're going to look for special friends, Fred in your head, so I shouldn't hear those sounds. And then when I push the word forward, then you can tell me what it says. Okay? Are you ready? You're going to have good magnet eyes for this. Okay, you ready? Special friends. Fred talk. Tray. Good reading. Special friends. Fred talk. Say. Special friends. Fred talk. Fred in your head. Lay. Special friends. Fred in your head. Way. Special friends. Fred in your head. May. Special friends. Fred in your head. Special friends. Fred in your head. Day. Brilliant reading. That was really good. Fred in your head. Well done. Okay, before we do a little bit more writing, let's see if we can read some alien words. Now remember, our alien words are a load of nonsense. They don't make any sense. Okay, let's have a look together. Special friends. A, Fred talk. A, play. What a load of nonsense. Let's try another one. Special friends. A, Fred talk. Abes. Doesn't make any sense, does it? What a load of nonsense. Well done, children. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is to grab your pen or your pencil or your whiteboard, because we're going to have a go at writing some of our A words. Okay, the first word I'd like you to write is say. Say. How many Fred fingers do we need for that word? Say. Show me. That's right. We need 2 Fred fingers. Let's squeeze the sounds together. Ready? S, A, say. Write it down. Okay, right. So, let's have a go together. S, A, say. So if you got a S, give yourself a tick, and if you wrote an A, give yourself a tick. If your say doesn't look like mine, then you can correct it so that it does. Okay, let's get those Fred fingers ready. The next word I'd like you to write is play. Play. How many Fred fingers do we need for that word? play. Show me. That's right, children. We need 3 Fred fingers. Let's squeeze the sounds together. P, a, play. Write it down. Okay, let's do it together. Ready? P, a, play. Give yourself a tick if you remembered the P. Give yourself a tick if you remembered the and give yourself a tick if you remembered the A. And if it doesn't look like mine, don't worry, just correct it. Okay, the last word I'd like you to have a go at writing is tray. Tray. How many Fred fingers do we need for that word? Yes, it's a bit trickier that one, but I think you've got it right. We need 3. T, a, tray. Squeeze the sounds for me. T, a, tray. Brilliant, write it down. Okay, let's do it together then. So, a, tray. Give yourself a tick if you remembered the T. Give yourself a tick if you remembered the and give yourself a tick if you remembered the A. Well done, brilliant. Let's finish with hold a sentence, okay? So, I'm going to say the sentence and I'd like you to repeat the sentence after me. Are you ready? May I play in the day? May I play in the day? May I play in the day? Excellent. Okay, I'd like you to have a go at writing that sentence. There is something special about that sentence, so think about the punctuation, okay? Well, we'll look at it in a minute, but think about the punctuation. May I play in the day? May I play in the day? Write it down. You're going to need a bit more time, so pause the video now, and then when you're ready, play it back. Okay, children, right, I think you're ready now. So, may I play in the day? What do we need at the beginning of our sentence? That's right, a capital letter. I hope you all remembered your capital letter. So we've got a capital and then we need our sounds that we're learning today, our special friends. May. May. Now remembering my finger space. I. Play. P-l-a. P-l-a. May I play in... I'm not going to fit it on there, so I'm going to start a new line. May I play in the day? May I play in the day? Now, I'm asking something. May I play in the day? That's a question. So what needs to go at the end of my sentence? Yes, you're right. It is a question mark. Now my sentence is perfect. Should we read it together? May I play in the day? Fantastic. Well done, children. You've worked really hard today and now you know the A sound. Well done, everybody.